welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a spring cleaning and decluttering and organizing type of video. I mentioned this in my deep cleaning video. So recently I deep cleaned my whole apartment. I also did a closet clean out. So I've been doing lots of spring cleaning. I do have an entire playlist of cleaning videos. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it here. It's an entire playlist of all of my cleaning related videos. If you're looking for some more motivation and kind of like satisfying videos. But today I am organizing and decluttering. I have a little list here. I feel like my bedroom is probably the most cluttered because it's kind of where I store everything. I also want to kind of organize my bathroom a little bit. I feel like the drawers have just gotten really messy and also kind of dirty because I store my makeup in there. I also need to clean my car because my car is just disgusting. My car is just ugh. Every time I get in my car, I just cringe because it's so gross. I think I'm gonna vacuum, declutter, dust, organize. Like my car is needing like a major clean. I might do a little organizing in my kitchen, but honestly, it's not super cluttered because I don't have a lot of stuff since I recently moved in. I haven't really collected much since I've moved in. I just have kind of like the bare minimum. This is more organizing than decluttering, but I also kind of want to sit down and kind of just like organize the next couple weeks in my digital calendar, my physical planner. I recently did get a physical planner. I kind of miss writing it down and color coding, and I kind of wanted to get some cute little planner stickers and just kind of mental organization. I feel like the last couple weeks I've just been like disorganized mentally. Like I've just kind of been lacking motivation. So that is what we're doing in this video, kind of like getting my life together as far as organizing. I do want to get some coffee at some point before I get like super into it, but I think I'm just gonna do a quick little pickup before I get like really into decluttering. And comment below what you think are some good things to declutter whenever you take some time to declutter and organize. So let's just go ahead and get started and get into it. First step, like I said, is just surface cleaning, picking up. So that's what I'm gonna start with. Let's go. So this is what my room looks like right now. I just have been doing Poshmark listings, and I have this bucket that I was using to put my Poshmark listings in, but now I need to put my fall decorations back in there. Just kind of have some random stuff everywhere. So I think I'm gonna start off with my dresser. Something I've been wanting to do is reorganize my sweatpant drawer. Currently, my sweatpants are all just folded in there and they're really stuffed. I recently saw an Instagram story where somebody took all of their sweatpants and rolled them instead of having them folded, and were able to fit a lot more in there, and I think it would look a lot more organized. So I think I'm just going to take them all out and roll them instead. So I definitely wasn't able to fit more in there. I was actually able to fit less in there, but maybe I rolled them like too thick or something. It definitely is more satisfying and organized. When I open the drawer, I can clearly see what I have in there because they're not stacked on top of each other, so it's more organized. I like how it looks, but I wasn't able to fit as many. They're definitely like stuffed really full. Here is what it looks like. So you can see there's like a few more in the backs. I'm glad I took the time to do that because that is so satisfying, and that drawer always annoys me. Now I can check that off my list. I think the rest of my drawers are pretty okay. I would say the dresser is pretty much 100% because everything else in there is relatively organized. Or like the bottom drawer, I just like throw random pajamas or like random slippers, and I'm fine with it not being like super organized. Moving on, I think I'm gonna do my Alex drawers. This drawer I do wanna actually organize because I have all of these dip powders, at home dip nail kit things. I use them a lot over quarantine, but I just haven't used them as much. Just used to having my nails long. These are really nice and there's so many cute colors, so I just want to organize them nice in here so that way if I do start doing my nails at home, I can just have them all nice and organized because these are really good. I moved, I just had them all in this bag and I just have not taken the time to organize them nicely in here. Also, this drawer needs to be organized. That is definitely something I need to tackle. box 9 drawer is definitely a lot more organized. So I think I'm just gonna move on to my nightstand because it's been a while since I've decluttered it and I feel like it's kind of messy. Actually feeling kind of hungry and I need like a boost of energy even though I did get coffee, and I think I have like the perfect thing in mind. Okay, so I'm gonna have one of these Built Bars as a little snack. This is the peanut butter brownie. I think I'll really like this flavor. I haven't tried this one yet. I don't know about you guys, but I've been seeing these Built Bars everywhere. Everybody's raving about them. They're basically like healthy chocolate bars. They just released 18 flavors, so there's 6 new flavors. There's like some fruity ones, there's like cookies and cream, peanut butter, and they're totally guilt-free. They are high in protein, low calorie, and they're gluten-free. If you guys have tried these, comment what your favorite flavor is. And also recently the Built Bars got like a new formula. It's new and improved, better than before, just like more consistency with them. I'm gonna actually try this one, the peanut butter one. Chocolate is like amazing. It really just tastes like a delicious candy bar, but it's healthy and low calorie. I just thought I'd share these with you if you are needing a nice little snack. This one low-key really does taste like a brownie though. Kind of reminds me of the Chick-fil-A. There's like a brownie at Chick-fil-A. I definitely recommend. You guys should definitely check these out and let me know which flavor is your favorite. If you do, definitely, I'm gonna have a link at the top of my description if you guys want to order a box. I'm just gonna eat the rest of this. It's literally like a delicious little dessert and we can finish decluttering. I'm gonna get a coffee because I am craving one. I also need to clean my car. I mentioned to you guys my car is like a mess, so I might stop at my parents' house while I'm out and just borrow their little car vacuum and clean my car, take my dog for a walk, do some things while I'm out. So I got my coffee. There's a lot of caramel in this one, I feel like, and I'm now at my parents' house. My little dog greeted me just like, he was already outside, so he just jumped up. I'm just going to clean my car. I'm gonna try to do this quickly. The car is like dusty and just disorganized. I'll show you guys. Don't mind my super ancient looking, I forget what this is called. This is what it's looking like. Straw wrappers. I do a little trash can. This is like the most convenient thing. If you don't have a little trash can in your car, I recommend getting one. I've got like just tons of random stuff in here. This is mainly the mess because when I turn, my sunglasses go over there. This is why I'm gonna vacuum, because there's like leaves and dirt and salt and all kinds of gross stuff. Kind of wanted to show you what I'm working with before. So I'm gonna get started on cleaning. My battery's blinking, so I only filmed part of the vacuuming. So I'm gonna try to get all of this. Hopefully my battery does not die. I vacuumed everything. Obviously there's stains, so I can't really do anything about that. I'm back from getting coffee and cleaning my car. My car is so much cleaner now. It might not be a super noticeable difference. I feel like it's different. It just feels a lot more organized. I didn't get to like properly film the car cleaning because my camera kept dying, but now I'm back. My car is done. It is officially dark now. I feel like this decluttering video is not going how I expected. I thought I had so many things to declutter. Like I had like a list in my phone. I was like, oh, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. I was like, I should just make a whole video out of this. Now I feel like everything I go to declutter is like already organized, which is good in a way. Also not good for the video because I wanted this to be super satisfying and motivating. I hope that this is still satisfying and motivating and not disappointing. Please comment below if you're enjoying this, because I'm worried that this is not fun to watch. I don't know. If you guys watched my what I got for Christmas, I got this George Foreman. It's literally still in the box. I just have not taken it out of the box and found a proper place in my cabinets for it, and I'm kind of sick of looking at it in the box. So I'm gonna do that. Don't worry, I'm not gonna use my George Foreman to put bacon on it in the morning before I wake up, to wake up to the sound of crackling bacon. Oh my gosh, I butchered it. Just forget it. You know what I'm trying to say. If you know, you know, so everybody knows. I've been procrastinating this for 2 months, so yeah. I think that might just be all the decluttering for now that I can think of. Just can't really think of anything else to declutter. Like, I'm looking around. So now I'm just gonna take some time to kind of mentally get organized and declutter my mind, I guess, by planning out the next week or so of videos and just kind of organizing my schedule and writing it all out in my physical planner. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more cleaning videos on my channel. Comment below if you guys found this helpful and satisfying and motivating, because I really hope you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely check out Built Bars if you're looking for a tasty snack. I will have the link at the top of my description, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.